will need tape, beads, scissors, hemp string, glue, and a ruler. Cut a 1 meter string and a 2 meter string out of hemp. Tape 4 inches off your 1 meter hemp string so it looks like this. Fold your 2 meter hemp string in half and put the crease in the middle of the taped off section. Tie a square knot like so. Repeat as many times as you like, alternating sides. I did 10 times. Choose a bead and string it to your center hemp string. Below it, add a square knot. Repeat 10 more square knots. Do the same thing for the next bead. Repeat until it fits your wrist. Size the bracelet to your wrist. Add glue to the bottom of your most recent knot. Once the glue has dried, trim the ends. Cut the lower string to 4 inches long. Tie a knot an inch from the end and add a bead. Tie the bead on. Repeat on the opposite end. Trim the ends. Fold the ends like so and put a remaining piece of hemp underneath. Tie a square knot and repeat 10 times, alternating sides. It should look like this. Add some glue to the sides of your most recent square knots. Snip the ends like so. Pull the ends to adjust your bracelet. Here is your finished product.